Chapter number 20 is related to knowledge bank. Different things to discuss. Standard 5th GK. Some scientists have recently discovered that lightning may have played a part in the evolution of living organisms. Second topic, in simple terms, a volcano is a mountain that opens downward to a pool of molten rock. It's called magma. Below the surface of the earth, which molten volcano is below the surface of the earth. It is a hole in the earth from which molten rock and gas erupt. Next point, this snake is to identify the pictures anaconda. Anaconda is one of the world's largest snakes. It gives birth to young ones instead of laying eggs. Next, the heart is the most powerful pumps like organ. Heart is also a type of organ. It is a bunch of various muscles that sizes your fist and circulates the blood to and from the body's millions of cells and tissues. Potatoes are cheap and easy to grow. They don't require massive amount of fertilizers and chemical additives to thrive. Next, the largest seeds on the earth are coconut. Coconut is the largest seeds on the earth. An average person has 1 lakh hair on his head. Each hair grows 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters each day. To discuss different chapters, chapter numbers 23. Chapter numbers 23 is related to vitamins. 23. Vitamins are very important to keep our body fit, improve our appetite and enable us to fight disease. Let us revise the various types of vitamins, their sources and the disease that can occur if they are deficient in our body. Different types of vitamins: vitamins A, vitamins B, vitamin C, vitamins D, vitamins A, vitamin K is related to different types of sources and lack of this type of vitamins to cause of disease. For vitamin A, is sources of vitamin A: cod liver oil, milk, butter, egg. Lack of vitamin A causes disease, night blindness, retarded growth, cold, dry skin. Vitamins B is main sources of vitamin B. Nuts, tomato, potato, whole grain, cereals, green vegetables. Lack of vitamins B is causes disease, pellagra, dermatitis, beriberi, psychosis. Next, vitamin C. Main sources of vitamin C: orange, lemon, amla, cabbage, tomatoes, guava, grapes. And other causes of vitamin C is disease, scurvy, swollen gums, bursting of blood, capillaries. Different sources of vitamin D: butter, milk, egg, cod liver, oil, fish. And lack of vitamin D is causes different types of disease: rickets, poor growth, weak teeth and bones. Different main sources of vitamin E: butter, cereals, cod, liver, oil, apple, vegetable oil, green vegetables, bananas, soybeans, milk, etc. Lack of vitamin E is different types of causes disease: sterility, muscular paralysis. Next, vitamins K. Main sources of vitamin K: tomatoes, vegetable oils, meat, soybeans, green vegetables, etc. But lack of vitamin K is cause different types of disease: hemorrhage, profuse loss of blood. This vitamins is related to sources, and lack of vitamins is causes different types of disease. Thank you very much.